Nothing can stop Vantara anymore. India's biggest wildlife center just got a Supreme Court level plot armor. The court has shielded Vantara, the Ambani-owned mega wildlife center in Jamnagar, Gujarat, from any further investigations on how it got its animals. Vantara has more than 35,000 animals brought in from various countries, but one elephant recently made Vantara the center of controversy. Mahadevi, who was shifted from a temple in Kolhapur to Vantara in July. So, a petition reached the Supreme Court. Is Vantara following the rules, or is it just a glorified private zoo for the Ambanis? The plea wanted a probe on whether endangered animals were being imported legally, if climate here is suitable, and if Vantara really is about conservation or just collection. Enter the Supreme Court's special investigation team. And in just 18 days, the SIT had all the answers. But here's the twist. The findings were submitted to the court in a sealed envelope. The Supreme Court read it and said, "Yep, we're convinced," and that was that. The actual full report has not been released, not even to the petitioners. All we got was a short summary in the judgment. What's more, you can't even ask them any more questions because see this bit in the court order. The court just said Vantara can just sue people if they don't like the reports. So if the court is convinced, should we also be? This order is really concerning because this can mean that reports like the one you're watching right now are going to be self-censored for fear of legal action. And Vantara's PR game is so strong that it will convince you that all is well. But what's the truth behind those fences? Alas, now we'll never know.